Welcome back, foodies. Leo here, full-time foodie. We're putting in overtime this week. In this video, we're going to be trying several different items from Pizza Bruno. Now, we did visit one of their locations, the one on Curry Ford Road. So there they have a wood-fired oven, and it's sort of Neapolitan-style pizza. Let me actually show you that clip right now. Finally, my turn to try it out.
No, it's not an addiction.
Pizza's amazing, nice, crispy, crunchy, crust is nice and doughy. I love the fresh tomato sauce, and I love basil on pizza. Anytime it's on there, it's gonna get extra points. That margarita pizza was amazing. Definitely, I'm gonna give it a 9.6 out of 10. It is actually really good. One of the best ones I've had, definitely in that category. They have two locations. So the other one is in College Park, and there they serve New Jersey style pizzas. So I wanted to try the pizzas from there as well. So that's what we did today. I saw Uber Eats, they had a $15 off if I spent, I don't know, I think it was like over 30. So I was like, let me take advantage of it. I'm just hanging out at home today. We're gonna be trying their New Jersey style pizza. I got half cheese, half pepperoni, their famous kale salad. Now we're also gonna be trying their famous garlic knots. They serve them at both locations. At the Curryford Road location, it is wood-fired garlic knots, and at the College Park location, they're fried garlic knots. I do love their margarita Neapolitan style, so I'm eventually going to end up trying the wood-fired garlic knots as well. They also serve hoagies, or I know them better as heroes. I think down here they call them subs. And we got a chicken parm hoagie. Lastly, we can't forget about dessert, so we're going to be trying their fried Oreos. Let's start off with their famous kale salad. Let's see if it's valid. The kale salad consists of emperor's dressing, golden raisins, candied pecans, and pizza crumbs. Let's pour that dressing all over here. Now they give us 2 cups. I think that's plenty. I'm gonna have to give it a little toss after as well. Cheers. Wow. Amazing. This is really amazing. I think even if you don't love kale, you'll love this. Kale to me is a little bit bitter, so I love that they add candied pecans, and the raisins really help to balance that out. But the dressing is Parmesan heavy, and it's packed with flavor. It's almost like a Caesar dressing, but times 10. This is 11 out of 10. This is one of the best salads I ever had. I think they also have an option that you can add chicken cutlet to it. That would probably put it over the top for me. Next up, let's dive into the fried garlic knots. I'm expecting these to have a little bit of crunch. I love that they pack the sauce here on the side. Too much garlic, Parmesan, chili flakes, and oregano. That's the description of it. I'm not saying there's too much garlic in here. It has a healthy dose, definitely. And these are the fried garlic knots. See a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there? They look crunchy. Look at that. You also get a tomato sauce on the side for dipping. Cheers. Let me give it a try first without any of the tomato sauce. It does have a lot of garlic, so if you're not a big fan of garlic, I don't think you'll love these. But I love this. I love the fried garlic knot. It is super, super crunchy. That is amazing. It's cheesy, garlicky, crunchy. 11 out of 10. This is one of my top garlic knots for sure. This is delicious. Let's get a little bite with tomato sauce. I wonder if they make this tomato sauce fresh daily, because it tastes amazing. And it tastes very simple, I would say. Simple ingredients, nothing crazy, not too much going on, but the way it's done is absolutely beautiful. All right, next up, this is the classic South Jersey style pie. It's got a tomato swirl sauce. You can see it swirled right on there. Their signature cheese blend, green gold olive oil, oregano, and pecorino cheese. I asked for half pepperoni and half cheese so we could try them and see which one we like better. I love that these pepperonis crisp up. That is exactly what I'm expecting to see on a pepperoni pizza. A little bit of crunch there. Now, I think this is going to be amazing. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's going to have some crunch to it. Let's taste it. I understand that the style of this pizza is light on the tomato sauce. I feel like it's missing some tomato sauce. I added a little more. You do have the option to ask for extra tomato sauce, so maybe I'll do that next time. This is an awesome pizza slice though. I'm gonna give this an 8.7. Really good. It has a nice crunch to it. The cheese is amazing. They have a great cheese blend. It really does remind me of pizza from up north, and that's a good thing. All right, with the added sauce, I'm giving this a 9.2. It's amazing. That's the way I have to order it. And I like the taste of sauce. I love tomato sauce on my pizza, and this is a great one. See how these slices hold up? That's the way they should be. And you hear that? There's some crunch to this, which is how it should be. Crunchy and bready. This one's great too. I love the pepperonis. They're nice and crispy. This slice actually had more tomato sauce, so I like this one better. I'm going to give this one a 9.2 as well. All right, let's dive right into these chicken parm hoagies, but first, a few words from this video sponsor.
Do you struggle with cooking your protein? Don't you wish there was an easier way? The solution is finally here with Just Meats. Just Meats delivers 12 different options of meat, already pre-cooked, pre-seasoned, and heats up in just 2 minutes. Expert chefs season the meat, roast and smoke it, all prepared by hand. With the worst part being taken care of, you can focus on the easy stuff, sides. Right now, Just Meats is offering 35% off new subscriptions, plus an extra $10 off with our discount code, Hungry Polar Bear. What are you waiting for?
Chicken parm hoagie, free-range chicken. They bread it in-house with their red tomato sauce and mozzarella. Wow, you see how moist that looks? I can't wait to try this. First bite here. This is a solid choice. My only complaint is that the bread, at least in New York, I'm used to it being crunchy. And this one is very soft, bready, doughy, pillowy. I'm not against that type of bread, but it's just what I was expecting, a little bit of crunchiness. This is a solid choice, so it's really good. The chicken tastes really fresh, and so does the tomato sauce. I love the tomato sauce they use here. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm giving this, though, a 9 out of 10. It's really delicious. Last but not least, dessert. Let's grab one of these. Take a big bite. Oh, I think this is going to be crunchy. Wow. It's like an Oreo bomb in here. I wasn't expecting that. I would say it's more like a stuffed Oreo donut. I don't know, donut stuffed Oreo? It's packed with Oreos in here. Wow, this is amazing. It's super crunchy, packed with Oreos. If you're an Oreo lover, you're gonna love this one. 11 out of 10. This is not your regular fried Oreo from a fair or I don't even know where else you can get a fried Oreo. I've only seen them at the fairs. All right, I think the only other dish I would like to try next time is the wood fire garlic knots, definitely. The meatballs, and they also serve grandma pies, which are thin, square slices, very popular up north. They're absolutely delicious. I think that the ones they sell there are gonna be amazing as well. Definitely a great choice if you're looking for pizza down here in Orlando. For an overall rating, I'm gonna give them a 9.1. Really solid choice. We'll catch you guys next time.